So to do this balloons arch on the table, I bought this balloon arch pretty inexpensive, and then I went ahead and I'm just gonna unscrew it down, then place it to my table, and then attach them together to hold them in place. Then you're just gonna go ahead and attach all your little connector like that, connect it to your little arch, and then you're just gonna go ahead and attach it to your table just like that. Put it in inside and then put it through the side. Pretty simple to do, you guys. Then go ahead and grab your balloon, and you're gonna blow them, all of them, to the same size, and then you're gonna attach two of them together, and then you're going to grab your other gray balloons and do the same process, blow them and then attach them together as well, just like that, you guys. And after you attach two of them together, you're just going to go ahead and twist it around, and then you're going to just go ahead and place it on your arch. And then the way you're going to do this is just going to go slide it down and then twist two of the balloons together to hold it in place, just like that. And then you're just going to go ahead and continue doing this until you do the whole arch. Just fill it up until you fill out the whole thing all the way around. And you can also add a few flowers the middle, and this is how beautiful it turns out, you guys. My beautiful little girl loved it. I did this for her birthday party, and it turned out so beautiful. I really recommend this product. It's super cute and super simple to do, and you will love it.